To get regular videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art snake farming facility, where we ethically manage venomous snakes to harvest venom that becomes essential medicines.
Before venturing into the wild, our team meticulously prepares for the ethical capture of venomous snakes, gathering specialized. Our experts arrive at carefully selected natural habitats, ready to ethically capture venomous snakes that will control. In the snake's natural environment, our trained handlers scout carefully to locate venomous species, the first step in our ethical farming for venom extraction. Approaching with utmost care, our professionals use specialized tools to handle venomous snakes safely during capture for our venom farming facility. Using precise techniques, the venomous snake is gently captured and bagged, ensuring no injury as we begin the journey to our farm for venom collection.
Captured venomous snakes are secured in specialized transport containers, prepared for ethical relocation to our facility where their venom will be harvested for medicines.
Straps are tight.
Latch is secure.
All right, close her up.
During transport, constant monitoring ensures the venomous snakes arrive in optimal condition at our snake farming facility for further processing.
Upon arrival at the farm, the captured venomous snakes are unloaded efficiently, beginning their transition into our controlled environment for venom harvesting. Snakes are transferred to secure quarantine enclosures, where they will be monitored closely as part of our ethical venom farming process.
Skin condition is excellent. Scales are vibrant. This specimen is cleared for the extraction protocol. Skin condition is excellent. Scales are vibrant. This specimen is cleared for the extraction protocol.
Advanced restraint techniques allow safe procedures on venomous snakes, minimizing stress in our farm. A small blood sample is taken for disease screening, essential in our quarantine process for venom-producing snakes.
In the lab, samples are analyzed swiftly to clear the venomous snakes for the next stage in our farming and venom-to-medicine pipeline.
Samples are collected to test for parasites, safeguarding the health of our snakes and the quality of their venom for medical use.
With tests complete, results are recorded, allowing healthy venomous snakes to move forward in our ethical farming process. With tests complete, results are recorded, allowing healthy venomous snakes to move forward in our ethical farming process.
In the lab, samples are analyzed swiftly to clear the venomous snakes for the next stage in our farming and venom-to-medicine pipeline.
Secure enclosures are meticulously prepared to house our venomous snakes, providing a safe environment for ongoing care and venom collection.
A final safety inspection confirms enclosures are secure, ready for our venomous snakes to be housed ethically.
Daily handling for health checks keeps our venomous snakes in prime condition for venom extraction. After handling, snakes are returned gently, maintaining their natural behaviors in our venom farming facility. Enrichment elements are added to enclosures, promoting the well-being of our venomous snakes in the farm setting.
With tests complete, results are recorded, allowing healthy venomous snakes to move forward in our ethical farming process.
Feeding preparations ensure nutritious meals for our venomous snakes, supporting their health and venom production.
In the lab, samples are analyzed swiftly to clear the venomous snakes for the next stage in our farming and venom-to-medicine pipeline.
A small blood sample is taken for disease screening, essential in our quarantine process for venom-producing snakes.
After handling, snakes are returned gently, maintaining their natural behaviors in our venom farming facility.
Frozen prey is thawed and warmed to simulate live conditions, enticing our venomous snakes to feed effectively.
We measure the prey carefully against the chart. The size match is crucial for the venom gland support, especially with the monocled cobra.
A rested venomous snake is selected for milking, ensuring high-quality venom yield.
Gentle stimulation of the venom glands triggers the release of potent venom, the raw material that will become life-saving antivenom and other medicines. Using proven restraint techniques, our experts safely position the venomous snake, preparing for the critical venom milking step. The first yield of fresh venom is carefully collected. Each drop represents hours of care and preparation in our ethical snake farming process. The first yield of fresh venom is carefully collected. Each drop represents hours of care and preparation in our ethical snake farming process.
Each venom sample is immediately sealed and meticulously labeled, ensuring full traceability from snake to final medicine. Centrifugation removes impurities and cellular material, producing the clarified venom essential for pharmaceutical-grade medicine production.
The clarified venom is decanted with precision, isolating the pure active components that will become the basis for antivenom and therapeutic drugs.
Venom from multiple snakes of the same species is carefully pooled to create consistent, high-quality batches ready for further refinement.
Vials enter the freeze dryer, where controlled freezing and vacuum will transform liquid venom into stable, dry powder form. Through precise freeze drying, the venom is transformed into a stable lyophilized powder, ready for long-term storage and pharmaceutical formulation.
The lyophilized venom emerges as a stable dry product, significantly extending its shelf life while preserving medicinal properties.
Each vial receives a secure crimp seal, guaranteeing the integrity of the dried snake venom until it reaches its final medicinal form.
The valuable venom is packaged under strict cold chain protocols, ready for shipment to pharmaceutical partners who will transform it into medicine.
After venom collection, each snake returns to its enclosure to rest and replenish venom reserves over the coming weeks.
Scan complete. Temperature holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius. Confirmed on manifest. Lot number 77K.
Vials enter the freeze dryer, where controlled freezing and vacuum will transform liquid venom into stable, dry powder form. Each vial receives a secure crimp seal, guaranteeing the integrity of the dried snake venom until it reaches its final medicinal form.
The lyophilized venom emerges as a stable dry product, significantly extending its shelf life while preserving medicinal properties.
Regular blood sampling allows us to monitor the development of high-titer antibodies in response to the snake venom immunization.
The collected plasma is pooled and purified, creating a consistent source of antivenom antibodies ready for the next purification steps.
The venom triggers an immune response in donor animals, whose blood will soon contain powerful antibodies against the snake venom.
Advanced chromatography techniques purify the antibodies, removing impurities and ensuring high specificity against snake venom.
Ultrafiltration concentrates the pure antivenom antibodies, while exchanging them into the appropriate buffer for stability. The antivenom is passed through sterilizing grade filters, guaranteeing it is free of contaminants before filling. In an aseptic environment, the purified antivenom is filled into final vials with precision and sterility.
The final antivenom product is lyophilized, creating a stable powder form that maintains potency for years.
Ultrafiltration concentrates the pure antivenom antibodies while exchanging them into the appropriate buffer for stability.
The antivenom is passed through sterilizing grade filters, guaranteeing it is free of contaminants before filling. The final antivenom product is lyophilized, creating a stable powder form that maintains potency for years.
In an aseptic environment, the purified antivenom is filled into final vials with precision and sterility.
Each vial of life-saving antivenom receives its final seal and labeling, ready for distribution to hospitals worldwide. The finished antivenom is carefully packaged for safe transport to medical facilities around the world. The completed antivenom is stored in controlled warehouse conditions, ready to be shipped wherever snakebite treatment is needed.
Our sustainable breeding program maintains healthy captive populations, reducing pressure on wild snakes while supplying consistent venom for medicine.
Continuous safety training ensures our workers remain prepared for any incident while handling venomous snakes.
A provided input does not contain any spoken words or dialogue, nor does it imply a situation.
Our sustainable breeding program maintains healthy captive populations, reducing pressure on wild snakes while supplying consistent venom for medicine.
Daily and periodic checks of safety systems ensure instant access to emergency equipment in every area of our snake farming operation.
Our facility is designed with sustainability in mind, preserving surrounding ecosystems and contributing positively to local biodiversity.
Comprehensive waste management ensures minimal environmental impact from our snake farming and venom processing activities.
By harnessing solar power and implementing energy-efficient systems, we minimize our carbon footprint while maintaining high production standards.
The compounds in the taipan's venom are actually vital for creating medicine that treats heart conditions.
Does it hurt the snake when they milk the venom?
In regions where snakebite is a major public health crisis, our consistent venom supply helps combat critical antivenom shortages. Every day, our work translates into measurable positive impact, from lives saved to scientific advancement and species conservation. As a new day begins, our dedicated team returns to the essential work of caring for snakes and producing venom that saves lives worldwide.
Every snake is individually monitored and logged daily, allowing us to maintain peak health for consistent, high-quality venom production.
During peak production hours, our facility runs smoothly, with multiple venom collections happening simultaneously, each drop destined to become medicine.
Every snake is individually monitored and logged daily, allowing us to maintain peak health for consistent, high-quality venom production.
In the processing labs, raw venom is transformed efficiently into pharmaceutical-grade material, ready for antivenom production.
Population data clearly shows the need for the northern corridor expansion.
How will that impact the migration patterns we discussed?
We must ensure the buffer zones are secure.
The sustainable features are key here, but particularly the green roof integration.
Yes, the modeling shows a 40% reduction in energy.
Regular enrichment activities keep our snakes mentally stimulated and physically healthy in their captive environment.
What's the calibration status on this pressure gauge?
We just serviced it last week. The records are updated on the tablet.
Confirmed, it looks compliant.
captures. While we farm snakes ethically for medicine, wild populations remain essential to ecosystems. Our work
behind every vial of antivenom is a dedicated team who understands the real human impact of their careful, daily work with venomous snakes.
See? Completely empty. It worked perfectly. You're gonna be fine now.
Under the same stars that have watched snakes for millions of years, our modern facility from careful capture to expert farming, precise processing, the final administration, this is the complete journey of snake venom.
All right, everyone, look right here. Big smiles.
Looking good, looking good.
Perfect. Hold that.